Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll explore the Surfinite Antidetect browser alongside its features and functionality. Surfinite is an anti-detect browser designed for managing multiple accounts on popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, PayPal, and more. It offers a powerful set of tools for managing browser profiles. Each profile has a unique digital fingerprint, allowing users to bypass verification checks on services like Pixel Scan, AmiUnique, and Creep.js. Profile data is stored in the cloud, ensuring access from any device. API support and integration with Selenium allow for automating routine processes. Users can create categories, add extensions and bookmarks without manually configuring each profile. Additional features include collaboration tools, business process automation, and flexible access rights management. For convenient profile storage, nested groups can be used to distribute profiles among users and manage access. Let's go over Surfinite's pricing plans. Surfinite offers a 7-day trial period activated after registering on the website and subscribing to the Telegram news channel, bot, and chat. There are also 4 paid plans tailored to different needs. The mini plan, at €29 a month, is ideal for beginners or small projects, allowing users to manage up to 30 profiles with manual fingerprint configuration, account cloning capabilities, and basic synchronization. The starter plan, at €89 a month, offers expanded capacity accommodating up to 120 profiles, along with complete access to all platform features and robust team collaboration support. Teams can grow without restrictions by adding extra participants for just €10 per user. The advanced plan, at €169 a month, is a strong choice for larger teams or complex projects, providing up to 350 profiles, full feature access, and enhanced collaboration tools. Teams can easily expand by adding additional members for just €15 per user. Lastly, the Ultimate plan, at €369 a month, delivers maximum performance, supporting up to 1,000 profiles along with comprehensive platform features. It includes 6 free team member slots and further scalability for €20 per additional user, perfectly suited for large agencies or professional operations requiring extensive profile management. Now let's launch the browser and explore its interface. The application features a top navigation bar for quick access to the home page, session list, program settings, and user profile. On the home page, created clusters, the number depends on the selected plan, are displayed. The Session tab contains a list of all active and completed sessions. In the Preferences section, users can adjust font scaling and other interface elements. The My Accounts section opens a contextual menu with access to account settings and the affiliate program, allowing users to change their username, profile logo, and password. Navigation between sections is done via the left sidebar. The Profiles tab serves as a central workspace for creating, editing, and organizing profiles into groups based on different operational needs. Now let's go through the process of creating a new profile in Surfinite. Navigate to the Profiles section and click New Profile. Select the container, owner, profile name, and description. Next, configure extensions, bookmarks, and cookies. In the top right corner, choose the operating system version. To generate a random fingerprint, click Generate or manually adjust settings in the sections such as Navigator, Screen, Geolocation, WebRTC, Hardware, fonts, and more. Instructions for configuring proxies in Surfinite can be accessed through the on-screen annotation. After entering all necessary details, click Save. Let's explore other browser tabs. In Groups, profiles can be categorized based on projects, teams, goals, tasks, or other specific directives, making structured access and management easier. The Recycle bin stores deleted user profile data for 48 hours, allowing for recovery before permanent deletion, ensuring data integrity and security. The Proxy Lists tab allows users to add, edit, import, and export proxies, simplifying network resource management. The Presets section contains pre-configured profile settings that are automatically applied when creating new profiles, speeding up setup and ensuring consistency. The Users section offers comprehensive user access management, displaying all project members and allowing access levels modifications for secure and efficient team management. The Settings section includes controls for renaming, changing icons, and describing clusters. It also displays API IDs and keys, facilitating integration with other systems and workflow automation. The Payments section shows subscription details, the number of connected and available profiles, and tracks team member slot distribution, helping to monitor usage and available resources. Additional browser features include avatar customization and dark mode, enhancing usability for different times of the day. Based on today's review, Surfinite is a powerful tool for managing multiple advertising accounts, social media profiles, as well as working with betting platforms and cryptocurrency exchanges where anonymity and anti-fraud protection are essential. Each profile retains a unique fingerprint, minimizing the risk of blocks and restrictions. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend the reliable and trusted provider ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.